Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Tesla Powerwall performance with Tesla app, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Tesla app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your Tesla account. Locate your Powerwall device in the app's main interface. Tap on the Powerwall icon to access its settings. Select the settings option within the Powerwall menu. Look for the performance section to find restoration options. Check for any notifications or alerts indicating performance issues. If there are issues, tap on Restore Performance to initiate the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the restoration. Ensure that your Powerwall is connected to Wi-Fi for optimal performance. Monitor the progress as the app shows status updates during the restoration. Once the restoration is complete, review the performance metrics displayed. Compare these metrics to previous records if available. If you notice an improvement, confirm the settings and exit the menu. Should issues persist, consider restarting the Powerwall for a fresh reset. To restart, navigate back to the settings and select Reboot Powerwall. Wait for the device to power down and then restart automatically. After the reboot, check the app again to ensure everything is functioning correctly. For further assistance, refer to Tesla's online support resources. You can also contact Tesla customer service for expert guidance. Make a note of any persistent problems for future reference. This will help in troubleshooting if needed later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.